So you're probably wondering, hey Mark, what's in the bucket? Well, I'll show you. Okay, so I borrowed the tarp and the chair from the back of the car so I wouldn't have to kneel on the wet ground and I could set my stuff on a dry surface. Okay. So first, a pair of warm gloves, because the first site I went to was pretty chilly. The air was pretty chilled, so I thought I might need these, but here it's actually not too bad. So, warm hat, a snack. Anonymous Dave gave me these. This some biscuits. Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it. This will be today's snack. To go with them, I have some MRE peanut butter and cheese spread. Sadly, it's not the jalapeno cheese, but rolled bank line, battery for the camera, Sawyer Mini with the bag. I really like the idea of being able to come out here on a budget. Now, I won this in the Mi Woodsman giveaway, so this was free. This leather pouch has a mag bar hanging on it, and here it's got a lighter. This is a gift. The pouch was a gift from the Justin Wolf at Wolf Customs, and I got a zip fire starter in here. Dollar store spoon. Cherry Millennial bar, which I'm not sure I'm even going to eat now because I got the crackers. Now I was thinking first aid, so I have a trauma bandage. This was free. You got just a little first aid kit, painkillers, bandages, burn gel, curry noodle ramen. I just threw it in there the last minute. I may or may not eat it. Some Texas Pete hot sauce, 2 packets. Those are free. Wound Stop. Fernbark gave me this. Thank you, Fernbark. Can of chicken, $1. Today's lunch is the curry noodles, 78 cents. Toilet paper, because you never know. Wow, I should have planned this a little bit better. 2 hot chocolates. Got those at work, free. The Ultra Pod for my camera. Mocha coffee mix with the I actually brought coffee too, so I could have left that out. Get a knife. The dollar store knife. It's writing in the. This is a sheet that the BK7 came in originally. I had the Fisker's hatchet. This is a gift, Christmas present from my mom. Thought I'd bring it out, so didn't cost me anything since it was a gift. I have a pair of work gloves, water bottle, stainless steel with fresh water from home. It's kind of interesting. I got a Banana Co. candy bar that I bought at the also the Asian market. I threw it in there last minute. I'll get back to this. I have a drum liner. I'm not spending the night, by the way. In here I have a ceramic blue mug, bandana, and a $6 pot, which I'm going to cook today's lunch in. I haven't yet to use this, so today will be the day. Two coffees. When I said I shouldn't have brought the mocha, I wasn't thinking about it. I just have an orange MRE drink mix because it was laying around. My cheap folding saw, this, I believe it was about like $5. Pretty inexpensive. One MRE wet nap and one Famous Dave's wet nap, just to keep your hands clean. Book of matches and a secondary toilet paper. So a little redundancy, probably not needed, but probably could have planned the packing just a bit. And after all is said and done, the bucket acts as a chair, so I can just sit on it. I think buckets are great. Not only inexpensive, under $5. They're pretty tough. They're rugged. You have a workbench for the top. You can flip it over, use it for a container, collecting water, collecting smalls, kindling, dirt, rocks. You know, and it's got a convenient carry handle. It's hard to go wrong with the bucket. Now, I love my Hidden Woodsman backpacks, but respect for the bucket. I need to want to get a drink. I mean, I got this at work for free. They were gonna throw it out, so.